This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the room. Gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask matter. Once done, remove interior stops and trim pieces in sequence, labeling each so reassembly is simple. Use a sharp utility knife to score paint and caulk seams where the frame meets the wall. This prevents drywall damage. Next, back out visible screws and fasteners and keep them together. Make sure to support the sash as you loosen anchors to prevent sudden shifts or cracks in the glass. With visible screws removed, locate hidden fasteners behind caps or inside jambs and remove them next. Pop rivets may need drilling. Once anchors are free, insert thin pry bars at the corners and gently work around the frame, alternating sides to release the frame evenly so it doesn't warp. If the frame stays bonded, use an oscillating tool with a metal blade to cut sealant and hidden screws. Make sure to have a helper hold the frame as it comes loose, so it doesn't fall and break. Once the frame is free, lift it straight out with at least one helper and place it on a padded surface to protect glass and finish. After removal, scrape away old sealant and nails, vacuum debris, and inspect rough opening, studs, and flashing for damage or water intrusion. If the opening is good, prep surfaces for new installation or temporary cover. If you encounter damaged jambs or rot, stop. Reinforce or replace framing, or use structural epoxy for small areas before installing the replacement window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.